Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into Ahmedabad University. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Ahmedabad University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like. After selecting a browser, in search bar you can search for Ahmedabad University BBA login. After searching for that, here you can see the first option, Ahmedabad University login. Just tap on that. And after tapping on that, it will come up to Ahmedabad University's login page. And now to log in your account, you have to enter your email address. So after entering your email address, you have to enter your password. And after entering your email address and password, just simply tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, come back to this page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. You can also create an account if you don't have one by tapping on create an account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Ahmedabad University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks.